Okay, be honest. Are you normal about ice or are you this kind of person? Because if you know, you know. This is the good ice, the chewable, addictive, Sonic style ice. Okay, honestly, when I made this, I chose large cubes, but it makes the chewable Sonic ones too. I should have chose small cubes for the point of the video, but I forgot, okay? This little machine is making it in 5 minutes. Like, excuse me, I used to wait forever or go buy bags of ice like a peasant. We're using this in our RV, and so we have ice. I put that in wrong. It's I turn it around in a minute. But it literally makes up to 40 pounds a day, which sounds excessive until you realize how fast you go through the stuff. Soft, crunchy ice doesn't break your teeth and somehow makes every drink taste better. I don't make the rules, okay? It cleans itself. The machine cleans itself. I don't have to do all that now. Honestly, if you love good ice, this is your sign. 5 minute ice is where it's at. I'll show you it dropping the ice in just a second. And here's where I realized I forgot to film that part. Oopsies.